What is up, YouTube? Today I will show you guys my full day of eating. I don't feel like eating anything, so I normally just take if I work out in the morning, I normally just take an apple juice, which has 30 grams of carbs and 140 calories. And I will also be taking my daily supplements. I put all of my supplements in those containers. This container is very handy. You can put 2 weeks of supplements in there. So what I take every day is I have some creatine, multivitamin, fish oil, I will be training with Brad for a back day today.
Beautiful workout.
That will be in another video. Definitely check that out when it come out.
I have to take the dog out to poop. So a quick refeed of protein will be a Fairlife. This bottle has 30 grams of protein. And then after this, I'll show you guys my first meal of the day. Well, the dog is finding a spot to pee out, drinking my protein.
What is up? And now we're back home. I'm going to eat my first meal. Pop it back in. Well, first meal is not that interesting. It's just 250 grams of chicken and 200 grams of rice. So right now it's almost at 11. This meal is actually my first meal and the second meal putting together because I woke up late. So yeah, that will be my first meal of the day. Just some chicken and rice as usual. Before we jump into meal 3, I'm going to have a quick snack, which is an orange and of course a quick protein refill. And that will be a bottle of Fairlife protein. My girlfriend is sick today, so I'm going to grocery place to pick up some ingredients to make her a wedding soup. We finished the orange and the Fairlife protein shake will give us 30 grams of protein. And now we're off to grocery store to pick up some ingredients for the soup. And I'll be checking in with you guys after the grocery trip.
2 hours later.
Hello, welcome back. So the first step of making the wedding soup is to cook the noodles. This is what I picked. And step 2 is to cook the meatball. I got this meatball. It's very big, so I'm going to make them into small meatballs by reshape them. I split the big meatball into small meatballs and just let them cook on slow heat. And meanwhile, the noodle is being cooking right now. Now we're going to cut those celeries into very small cubics. All the celeries are cut and we're gonna toss this boil in chicken broth for 10 minutes. The meatballs are almost done. When the meatball is done, we're gonna toss the meatball into the soup and boil it together. And we let it boil for another 5 minutes and it will be done. Now Haley is going to try the wedding soup.
It's hot. Tastes good.
Anyways, this will be my second meal of the day, and I will be checking in with you guys at my next meal, which will be in a few hours.
2 hours later.
Alright, I just got some work done, and before my dinner, I always have a quick snack. Today I'll be having a Natural Valley Crunch Oats and Honey Bar, and an orange, and the Fairlight protein shake as always. And yeah, I'll be having those for my pre-dinner meal, and I'll see you guys at the dinner. What's going on, guys? Well, anyway, I'll show you my last meal of the day, which is 200 grams of rice, and we have sardine in olive oil. I always save a lot of fat for my last meal because the fat doesn't make me hungry, so I won't be hungry throughout the night. And meanwhile, since it's relatively low in sodium, if I eat too much sodium for my last meal, I cannot sleep well because I always wake up drinking water and then have to go to the bathroom again. So yeah, anyways, this last meal will just be rice and fish can. Thank you guys for watching this video. It means a lot if you can click the like button and subscribe to this channel. If you guys have any question about the fitness or others, just comment down below. Maybe one day I'll make another video explaining certain things in details. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Take care.